Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an ebook in Designrr, and this is going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So, on the homepage, you just want to come here and click on New Ebook, and there's multiple different options to do this. So come here, choose that you want to create an ebook, choose the format as PDF, and you'll have also other options available depending on your plan. I'll go ahead and choose PDF. Now, as your baseline, you can either upload a file or insert a link for the file, or you can use an existing document from your docs right here, or you can use WordGenie, which is their AI tool, which I'll go ahead and use in this video. You can start writing from scratch right here on this website, or you can choose a template. I'll go ahead and use WordGenie. It's a really powerful AI tool. Now here you pick the topic, basically the theme. So we will do something in training and development. Okay, we'll do something related to working out, and let's go ahead and click on Let's Start. Now this is basically just an introduction. Now here we need to pick a topic or niche. Okay, so the topic or niche for me would be natural bodybuilding. Okay, I'll go ahead and press next right here. Now we need to choose some sub niches. So natural bodybuilding is there, and let's do something else. Functional. I guess, this body weight training techniques. I really love this. I like doing calisthenics. So go ahead and press next right here. Our audience for our book. I will do calisthenic athletes. I decided to go ahead and do it with a beginner calisthenics athlete. Go ahead and press on next here. And now the AI is basically thinking on this topic, and it's going to offer you title suggestions. So let's do this one. Strength without weights. This is a really good title, bodyweight training for newbies. Go ahead and press right here. Now we can choose the tone of our ebook. We want it to be informative, sure, but also want it to be both inspirational, encouraging, but we'll keep it informative, right? We want to teach. So we'll do that, click on next. And here, Designrr is basically going to end thinking, and soon it will go ahead and do a whole outline for you of the whole actual ebook, topic by topic, chapter by chapter. As you can see right here, you can go ahead and proofread all this. So it starts with an introduction, sure, gives you some basic, getting started, setting goals, and now it explains you some bodyweight exercises, fundamental bodyweight exercises. Now here's your routine, and we have about 12 chapters. Here is at the end we're creating our program, right? Okay, that's fine. I like this outline. Go ahead and press on next. And now WordGenie is basically generating the whole ebook for you. Content based on the different chapters. Chapter by chapter. It only takes a few minutes. So let's go ahead and wait for this right now. As you can see, it is generating. Alright, you can also watch it do this live, as you can see. Here we go. It is generating everything live in front of you. Alright, there we go. It generated a whole PDF of an ebook for us. Now, you can scroll up endlessly, and honestly, it has good content. It is actually actionable advice, great advice, nothing surface level. It actually went in depth. It is a very powerful AI. I'm sure it did a lot of research to come up with these. Okay. Now I can come here, click on choose a template, and it'll give you a bunch of different templates you can go and look from. So they have chosen the theme here, health and wellness. So I'll pick something similar to this. I would either go with this one. Yeah, I'll go with this one or this one right here. I like this, so I'll go ahead with this. You can choose any that you actually like. This is self-development training and development author. Yeah, we'll go ahead and go with this. Use this template. Just go ahead and click on that, and Designrr will start initializing everything. And you just have to wait until it's done loading up your, ebook. And of course, you can go ahead and edit things as well. You can add images, artwork, shapes. You can change the heading, page numbers, right? Layouts. You can even change your template if you want later on. So here we go. It has taken in the whole ebook. And as you can see, this is the name, a brain train, strength without weights, body weight training for newbies. This is my author name. Right, you can keep scrolling down. I really like the font style and everything like that. and all the headers have this title as well. And if you want to add an image, for example, let's do artwork and shapes. You can go ahead and add some artworks that are related. For example, this one I really like, and like this, because I tend to spam chin ups myself. So I'll go ahead and place that one right there. Looks good. So you can add images to every page. You can change the color, everything here, guys. Okay. Now, what you can do also, you can come here to images, click on suggested images, and they will come here and you will provide a lot of images here that you can just go ahead and drag and drop. So let's wait for Designrr to come up with these sample images, and then we'll go ahead and use those in. Or you can search up exercising as well and get an image to basically add in here. And of course, you can go ahead and upload your own images here as well. And if you want, you can go ahead and change the template at any time, any given point in time. You can change the layouts here, edit the text. For example, if I wanted to change the color here, make this one maybe red, you can go ahead and do that as well. Okay, I'll undo that. I don't need that now. You can also add videos, call to actions, a QR code, all of these options right here. And if you're happy with this, you can go ahead and click on publish. Okay, and then click on for Adobe Reader right here. And then if you want, you should go ahead and compress the PDF to save space. And then just click on export. And it will start downloading as soon as it is done exporting. And they will also notify you via email. Really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Ninja Guides. And I'll see you guys in the next one.